Hello, this is Jesse from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how to use the old WYSIWYG editor and how you can upload an image that you either purchase from a website or you have some images stored in your computer? Well, here is something that you can do as the admin. As long as you have access to any page and of course to any HTML module, you can start working on this here. For example, I have here an HTML module. And if I want to start using the old WYSIWYG editor, all I need to do is click on Edit HTML. Of course, I need to be logged in as the admin. But why do we have drag and drop editor and Edit HTML? Well, in your software, you have the ability to select only to use the drag and drop editor, which has a lot of snippets and pre-content built in it. And all you need to do is drag that snippet into the red box and you can start modifying your content. Versus Edit HTML, which I will take everyone here right now. It's going to take you to the old WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. The drag and drop editor does not depend on tables and cells versus the Edit HTML or the WYSIWYG editor does rely on tables and cells. Okay, so let's say that we want to replace this image, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it and maybe use a different one. So right here in the second row, right next to the spell checker, here is your image manager. When you click on it, this window will appear. Alright, so here's going to show us the image manager. So here we have the default folder of where all of our images will be uploaded. And if we want, we could create subfolders. Let's say we want to place specific images in other folders. Every time you upload an image from your computer using this method, it will be uploaded into our server so you have easy access to your images. Now, of course, you could go and click back or forward, or if you want to refresh the page to make sure your image is uploaded. If you want to create a new folder, you can. If you want to delete an image or a folder, you can. And you can change this as grid view or you can change it as thumbnails view. But if you want to start uploading your images, just click here on upload and then the upload window will appear. So here you could go ahead and click on the select button so that way it could take you to your computer so you could upload your images. Now if you click on the add button, it will allow you to add more of the select button so that way you can upload up to multiple images at the same time. And not only that, but please reassure that your max file size for each image is 2 megabytes. Okay, so what that means is that the majority of your images will probably be less than 1 megabyte or maybe 500 kilobytes, for example. You want to make sure that the file size of the image does not exceed over 2 megabytes. Now, of course, if you have an image that's 4 megabytes, then of course it's going to time out for the uploaded process, and then you have to reduce the size. And then down here below under file extensions allowed, you can upload up to GIFs, JPEGs, PNGs, BMPs, and more. So once you have your image uploaded, then it will be presented here as a preview. So then the image will be automatically selected. So let's say we selected this image here. Okay, so the preview will be here. As you can tell that the preview tab is available. And you also have the properties tab. So that way you can make some more adjustments to the image, whether you want to change the width and height, or if you want to align the image, whether it's the center, the left alignment, the right alignment, maybe you want the image to be aligned at the top or center or bottom. You want to add a border color around the image and then make the width of that border, whether it's you want to make it large or you want to make it small. Maybe you want to add an alternate text so when someone places their cursor on top of the image, they can see the alternate text for the image. And then of course, if you want to add margins or padding, whether it's on the top, bottom, left or right of the image, you can. Once you're done applying the changes, if you are going to apply changes for the image, click on insert and then your image is right here. Now let's say that after you click on insert and let's say you want to make more modifications to the image, click right on the image, and then here you're going to have your properties button, so you could go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to take you back to the same window that you saw before, and now you could go ahead and apply more changes to the image. Alright, so once you're done here, click Save and Exit, and then your image will be displayed here. Then, of course, you have to go and click on Push to Publisher, so that way you're pushing this version to Website, Publish Content, and under Content Management, you're going to search for your content, whether it's by date range, by author, page number, page name, page title, and page key. But to make things easier, I'm going to search for it by today. Here we have the name of the module, version 1, and if I want to publish it, I click on the Publish link. Enable for us to do this so that way the public or whoever's visiting the website for the first time, they will see the content. If this process is not done, no one will see the changes that you made for the HTML module. And that's how you're able to use the image manager for your software. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.